fuck with you, baby, you right. You are not for me, goodbye. You ain't shit to me. Shit.
Hey, y'all. No, I'm just kidding. You already know what the fuck going on. It's a little hair tutorial, whatever, period. Y'all had to see the back. But first, this is the pack of hair that I used. I used 1B. Y'all, wait till the end till y'all figure out how many packs I end up using. That shit pissed me off. But got my crochet needle. And I'm about to go ahead and get started. The hair is 16 inches. But as you can clearly see by the hairstyle, it's giving 8. By the way that I did it. But I did some thicker pieces and some thinner pieces. I don't remember if this one's thicker than or not. I really can't tell. But what you do is you grab your little pre-braid or whatever. You see me pulling out a piece and showing y'all. You take the crochet hook. You put it through. You put the hair in there. Close that latch. And then you pull it through. Now, I ain't gonna lie. It was kind of complicated getting this little loop through. I said, wait a minute. I was like, you look, you see you got stuck. Yeah, because I was like, I ain't gonna cap. Sometimes they will get stuck. Like, I don't know if it's like the hair or what. But as you see, I'm finally getting it pulled through for real. See, look, period. But anyways, once I got it through, I was showing y'all, like, you know, the length. I like to make it even on both sides or like a little bit less than even or whatever. See, look, 16 inches. It was down there, but as you clearly see, the hairstyle, it got short. But right here is where we do the wraparound. I'm on my left side, so I was wrapping it, you know, more to the left, like towards, basically on the left side, use your left hand, wrap it around 3 or 4 times towards your face, and then that's to secure the top. And then after that, you just keep, you know, doing the little wraparound to the left or whatever. As you can see, I'm going all the way down. Do the little dance, do a little jig. I said dance. Do a little dance, do a little jig, whatever. And then once you get down to the bottom, as you can see, I'm about to show y'all how to like loop and secure the bottom. You take your finger, you do just like that, do a little whoop, and then you go back around, going towards your face. Like I said, this is the left side, so I'm looping it more to the left side. And after that, I roll it together, and then boom, that's the little lock. Now, as you can see, some of them are like smaller, some of them are bigger, like I said. I always do that when it comes to doing my hair. I like to do some big, some small, because it always portion out in my head. But now I'm going to show y'all the next piece. This is me doing the right side of my head. You know, take out your little pre-braid, and then, you know, you grab the hook, and you go ahead, like you do on the left side, you go ahead and slide it through the loop. Well, not the loop. Through your braid. Not through the actual braid part, but the top part of the braid, if you get what I'm saying. You slide it through there, and then, you know, as you clearly see, I already got it through the thing. And you pull your hair through. This one kind of got a little bit stuck a little bit, but not too much. Or maybe I was kind of confused which part. I don't know, it don't matter. But yeah, you got it through. And then now you sit there, and we are on the right side. Like I said, I did the left earlier, now we're on the right. So you do the wraparound 3 or 4 times. You take your right hand, and you turn your right hand towards your face. Basically, it depends on what side you are. If you're on the left, you take your left hand, turn it towards the middle. If you're on the right side, take your right hand, turn it towards the middle. I'll probably leave down the video that I learned the hairstyle from, because she actually had a good like explanation how to do it. Honestly, everybody else's video was difficult, so I'll probably leave hers down below if I could find the link. But yeah, you wrap it down all the way down to the bottom. You know, just keep wrapping like you did at the top. Just keep going towards the bottom. And as you can see, I'm somewhat getting there. Did y'all peep what I said? Do a little wraparound. Do a little what's that to talk? A little wraparound, whatever. Anyways, but yeah, towards the bottom, going back up, seeing if it's on the right side, you do the little wraparound towards the right. You know, do a little finger loop at the bottom. I'm not really too good at explaining. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, because y'all probably like, girl, I don't understand. But once I leave this link down below, y'all understand how to do it, because literally watching her video helped me out. But yeah, y'all, I'm finally to the last 2. I ended up doing the rest off of camera because I was like, yeah, this is doing a lot. I'm trying to hurry up. Like, when I tell y'all, when I be doing my hair and it be the last 2, I be ready to be done, okay? But now I think I'm on the right side of my head. I can't really tell. Wow, I just realized I was in the camera. Bruh, did y'all peep? Like, earlier, low-key, my camera was falling. Like, I watched that back when I started editing, and I was like, wait a minute, my camera was falling. And I didn't even realize. But yeah, this is the right side. So yeah, I kind of did that part, not like how I said earlier, the way I was wrapping it around. As you can see, I'm doing like a little, you know, like when you do kinky twist, like you do like the little twist or whatever like that. That's kind of how I did this one, but then I realized, I was like, wait a minute, something's not right about the way I'm wrapping it. But it still turned out good. But like I said, if you do like, you know, right side turn towards the right or the left side turn towards the left, you'll be perfectly fine. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I'm one of those people, when it comes to twists, I twist real fast. Like, this hairstyle didn't take me no time. Literally. Like, I've always been a fast twister. Even with braider, too. Like, once you get done being at the top, you start going toward the bottom. Like, my hands be flying. But, yeah. That's the little front piece. Cute or whatever. Now, I'm finally moving on to the last one. Ooh, when it gets to that last one, sometimes it be feel like a drag, but sometimes it don't be a drag. Look, I was too excited. Last one. Yeah, because I was ready to be done. I literally was ready to be done. Like I said, I didn't even take that long doing the hairstyle for real. So, this is definitely a hairstyle I recommend. Especially with the length. Like, maybe that's why it didn't take too long, because the length. Because I feel like if they were longer, it probably would have took all damn night. And I didn't have time for that. I really didn't have time for that. But yeah. One last time. I don't know if y'all can see. You know, this is the left side. So you do the 3-time wrap around or whatever. 3, 4. Well, 3 or 4 wrap around. The hooping. And then you just keep wrapping all the way to the bottom. Y'all, like I really said, this hairstyle is really, really easy. Like, I'm glad I did it myself, because I really was going to pay somebody to do my hair, and I'm glad I didn't, because I saved way much more money doing it myself, y'all. When I tell y'all, it's not hard, it's very easy to do, and, you know, it didn't take that much time, so I recommend doing your own hair, even if you don't know how to do it. Just learn. It's that simple, that easy. But yeah, I'm looping it back up, basically at the last little piece or whatever, and then voila, magic. Y'all see it. Look, I'm like, wait a minute, why is this not moving to the side? But y'all see it. Y'all see it. It's so cute. Period. I ain't gonna lie, I was missing one, so I had to go back and finish it. But it's still cute or whatever. But look, that one's sticking up. That shit was pissing me off. I'm like, why does it keep sticking up? But yeah, y'all. Alright, y'all. Well, clearly I got the top covered up because it's nighttime. I had to cover it up. But I ended up using 1 full pack and not even a full bundle from the second pack. More like probably like 2 or 3 little strands. I asked the lady at the hair store how many packs should I need. She was like, 3 should be good enough. Baby girl, I didn't even use 2. But the hair, great quality, highly recommend it. I have 44 locks in my head. I was like, what is this called? Locks in my head. It was like a 3-day process. I washed my hair Wednesday, I pre-potted my hair Thursday, and then today's Friday, and I finally did my hair. I finished my hair about like, I think 7 o'clock. I started at like 5-ish because I literally started my hair after I got off of work. Yeah, baby, dedicated. Just like with yesterday when I parted my hair, did that shit after I got off of work. And then Wednesday when I got off of work, washed my hair after I got off of work. But yeah, I really love it. It's really cute. I don't know, it's like, it's giving, is it Susie Carmichael? Oh, dang, I forgot the name. I'll insert a picture. But yeah, I really, really love it. I really don't want to take this off, but I guess I had to take it off to show y'all. I'll insert a video of like the actual how it looks, but yeah, It's really, really cute. It's short. It's shorter than I think what I did last time, but the way that it looks actually looks really, really good. I can't wait to, like, you know, put some makeup on, or, like, you know, dumb off on, put some makeup on, or, like, you know, get cute or whatever. It's gonna be really, really cute. I can't wait to. Ooh, I might do like a. Well, I don't want to spoil. I don't want to spoil, but yeah, I might do like um a little hair video of like how to style it and all that stuff, because there's another video that I might be doing. Fingers crossed on that one, because that it's gonna be a lot to keep up with. But yeah, I really love it. This side is, you see this one mounted back. Oh, hold on, because this, I don't know why this piece gives me trouble. Keep giving me trouble. See, y'all, it's that easy to twist it back up. Like, this hairstyle is so easy. Like, the fact that I was gonna pay somebody to do my hair and I literally did it myself, baby. I am my own hairstylist, my own nail tech, all that. Independent woman. Fuck is you talking about? But yeah, this one, for some reason, I'm gonna have to like lay it down so it can be able to be movable, because as you can see, it keeps bouncing back to this side. But the part is cute on this side. But I'll split the middle part. Like, y'all, I ate this up. I ate this up, y'all. I'm so proud. But yeah, I'll probably insert a video like the whole style, like, you know, showing my scalp and stuff. I'm gonna say roots. But yeah, I really, really love it, and I'm definitely gonna do this hairstyle again, to be honest. Now, as far as the process, I don't fucking know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure y'all do like, comment, and subscribe, and show support to my channel, because support is great. Whoa. Bye, y'all.